Welcome to Tech Bits with Aniket. In today's video, we are seeing Python loops. There are two main types of loops, for loop and while loops. And besides of that, there are three kind of statements, that is break statement, continue statement, and nested loops. Nested loops means we are using loops inside the loops. So we are seeing that 5 points in this video. I'm trying to split this video in 5 parts so you can watch what you want to watch. So let's get started. uh, what are the loops? We need to understand what are the loops first. So loops are like a conveyor belt in a factory. They repeat the task for each items or until the condition is met. In Python, we have two main loops. First one is for loop for iterating over its list or ranges, and the another one is while loops for running until something is true. Uh, if you consider the bucket is filled with some chocolates, and the while loop work like on the principle like you want to pick one chocolate at a time. Then if you apply the while loop on that bucket, then you may take one chocolate, then second one, third one, fourth one, until the box will be empty. And when you pick the last chocolate, then the process will be break. So, what is for loop? A for loop is a programming control structure that allows a block of code to be executed repeatedly, usually a specific number of times. Those we declared while declaring that for loop. It's commonly used for iterating over sequences like arrays or list or dictionaries or range, or for performing actions a predetermined number of iterations. Let's see the example first, then I will explain that diagram. Here is the code. The structure of that code, look here. For num in numbers, print number, print number, comma num. Here num is a variable. It takes item from iterable one by one, and it is the numbers, those are iterables. It is a collection of objects like a list, tuple, etc. And here is the body, print number, comma number. Here is the body of our loop, and it must be properly indented. First, there is a number variable, and the one list is assigned to the variable 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It can be tuple or it can be dictionary. Then for number, for num in numbers, in that line we are saying that from number list we need only one variable at a time. So first time it will be 1, then next time it will be 2, then next iteration it will be 3, then 4, 5, and so on at till the end. And then after after taking that num variable, the next condition will be print that number. So number is a string because a double inverted comma, you can see that, and comma then num, it will print the num variable. So let's run the code. I am taking here global, not see here. At first iteration, it took 1, means that num variable took one number from that list, then second, third, fourth, and fifth simultaneously. So it is the basic loop, right? So let's go back again, see that diagram. Now you may understand better because we saw first the code of that for loop. Let's see the code and that flow chart side by side. When we run that code, at the start point, the num variable takes the value of each element from the sequence on each iteration. Once it takes the value, the loop body will be executed, means print number. It will print the first number here. Start, it it checks the last variable in the sequence. It is not, no, then statement body, then it will return again for the next loop. Then it will go to then num takes second number. It checks the it is the last variable not or not, no, then it will executed the body, then it will go to next loop. So it iterates over and over until the last number, uh, until the last item in the sequence. So when there will be a last item, means here it is 5, then it will take last item, it will verify it is last item, then it will go to yes, then next it will execute the statement body and it will exit the loop. So it's simple. Similarly happened here. Num variable starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 until the number 5, and after that it breaks the loop. Let's see another example using the range function. Here we are using range 3. So let's see first what range 3 prints. Range 3 means range 0 to range 3. And remember in Python, range from 2 means from 0 to from 3. It will not print, it will not consider the 3 number, it will consider only 2, means from 0, 1, 2. Okay. So here in this loop, for I in the range 3, and in in the loop's body we have print I. Okay, here count is a string. So let's run the code. See, it will take first count 0. Let's see the flowchart. It will takes first count 0. See, it took first 0, then 1, then 2, and then it breaks the loop. So see the flow diagram again. So at start it will take 0, it checks that it is the last variable or not, no, then it will execute the body again, then it will took number 1, it's not a last number, so it execute the body again, then it took number 2, In the range 3, 2 is the last number, so it verifies that it is a last sequence. Then then again it then again it executed the body, and then it exits the loop. So the format is similar. Okay. In the next video we will see while loop. If you found this video very helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Tech Bits with Aniket. Thank you.